So in the beginning, we have what we call getting to know you sheet, and they have to fill out everything about them. And I think we specifically ask for their birthday. We ask for their children's names. I mean, we ask for everything. What's your favorite drink? What's your favorite restaurant? Yeah.
It might be
I mean, we've almost gone that far. Like, we'll also teach you dietary needs now. But we go pretty deep, and we explain the whole way through. I think it's all about setting expectations. If you start with, hey, the reason I want to capture this information is so I can customize this experience for you. I can give you a generic experience, however, how much cooler is it going to be if I can customize this to you and your family? Tell me what you like to eat, tell me when your birthdays are, tell me what the names of your kids are. Do you like pets? Do you hate them? You know, let me serve you at the highest level. And so that's been a huge part for us, because it helps with how can we serve them throughout the process. Things are bound to go wrong. We don't promise a perfect transaction. It's impossible. What we do promise is we will move mountains to make sure that we're making up where things go wrong. Because you're not in control at a lot of the areas and variables throughout the real estate transaction. All you can do is say, I was prepared for this to come up, and now I know exactly how we're going to react and take care of it. So it's helped us with that. Something goes wrong, we know you like scotch, we send you scotch. Something goes wrong, you know, your kids are upset or whatever, and you're family oriented, we can send you to your favorite family restaurant. So that's what's important to us, is giving you an experience that's truly going to make an impact on your life.